mothers and children have benefited from Nashonuma's integrated package of nutrition support, behavior change communication, and health services. The latest independent evaluation by Aga Khan University, which we are celebrating, it confirms that Nashonuma is delivering one of the strongest global results that have ever been recorded for a large-scale nutrition program, significant and unprecedented reduction in child stunting, compelling evidence that nutrition-sensitive social protection works, particularly when it is linked with health and education platforms. BISP has emerged as a globally acknowledged model for inclusive and impactful social protection. In the past year, study delegations to Burkina Faso, Mali, Senegal, and Niger visited Pakistan to learn from BISP's integrated design of cash transfer with specialized nutrition foods, that is the SNFs, community engagements and service delivery linkages, digital innovations ensuring transparency and efficiency. This South-South collaboration is a source of pride for Pakistan and reflects the international relevance of our work. Today's gathering provides a vital opportunity for the cross-country knowledge exchange. Pakistan looks forward to learning from adaptive social networks, that's the projects of Niger, Bangladesh security policy support framework, social protection systems of law, PDR Cambodia, Timor, and the community mobilization approaches in Sri Lanka, and the integrated service delivery models in Nepal. These shared experiences enrich our collective understanding and advance regional and global cooperation. Pakistan remains fully committed to the technical exchange, joint research and regional partnerships that strengthen nutrition integrated social protection. This is something that we discussed in the morning as well, when we were having a small briefing with some of the delegates, that an exchange of ideas across borders, across countries is very necessary for, as we always believe that collective wisdom is something that comes from when we sit together and we discuss things. So this exchange programs between the countries is a must. This is a learning experience that we need to share on a larger scale.